Mighty Car Mods. Today, we're diving into a beast that needs no introduction, the 2025 COPO Corvette. This is not your average Corvette, this is a purpose-built drag racing monster straight from Chevrolet's factory, designed to dominate the strip with mind-blowing power and no compromises. The camera cuts to a static shot of the COPO Corvette sitting under bright lights, showcasing its aggressive exterior. The 2025 COPO Corvette is a purebred racing machine, and it looks the part. The wide-body stance, deep front splitter, and massive air intake scream performance. The lightweight carbon fiber body not only enhances aerodynamics but also helps keep weight to a minimum. The raised cowl hood isn't just for show, it houses an absolute monster underneath. At the rear, a massive drag-style wing and parachute system make it clear this car is built for one thing: straight-line speed. The scene transitions to the interior, showing the stripped-down, race-ready cockpit. Inside, the COPO Corvette is all business. No infotainment screens, no luxury leather, just a pure racing cockpit designed for maximum performance. A lightweight roll cage, bucket racing seats, and a 5-point harness keep the driver locked in, while a digital race dash provides all the vital information needed to push this car to its limits. This is a car for serious racers, not weekend cruisers. The camera zooms in on the engine bay, where the real magic happens. Under the hood, Chevrolet offers multiple powerhouse options, but the star of the show is the 10.4L, 632 cubic inch naturally aspirated V8, pushing over 1,000 horsepower. For those wanting even more, there's a supercharged 5.7L V8 capable of delivering blistering acceleration. With a 3-speed automatic transmission optimized for drag racing, the COPO Corvette is built to launch hard and finish even harder. No traction control, no driver aids, just pure American muscle and engineering at its finest. The COPO Corvette is shown launching off the line at a drag strip, its tires smoking as it takes off. This car isn't street legal, and that's what makes it special. It's a factory-built dragster, designed to break records and win races straight out of the box. The upgraded rear suspension, massive Hoosier drag slicks, and lightweight chassis give it the perfect setup for crushing the quarter-mile in well under 9 seconds. The screen displays the price as the COPO Corvette sits on a trailer, ready for transport. The 2025 COPO Corvette isn't sold like a regular car. Chevrolet builds a limited number each year, and you have to apply to get one. The starting price is around $135,000, but with options and custom builds, that number can climb fast. For a factory-built race car with this kind of performance, it's a serious deal for dedicated drag racers. The camera shows the Corvette lined up at the starting line, ready to unleash its power. So, what makes the 2025 COPO Corvette special? It's raw, unfiltered performance straight from the factory. No emissions rules, no road regulations, just a pure racing machine designed to dominate the strip. If you want the ultimate drag racing weapon with a bowtie badge, this is it. The screen fades to black with the Mighty Car Mods logo and tagline. Thanks for watching Mighty Car Mods. If you love high-performance machines like the COPO Corvette, hit that like button, subscribe for more insane builds, and tell us in the comments, if you got your hands on one of these, what engine would you choose?